Can I build a fully functional app in just 5 minutes with AI? Well, you're about to find out, because in this video, I'm taking on the 5 minutes app challenge. I'm going to be building an interview prep flashcards app with Chakra UI MCP Server and GitHub's Copilot Chat. We're going to be racing against the clock, having a little fun while doing that, and of course shipping something useful. So let's dive right in. So I'm in VS Code right now, and this is a Vite project. I already have Chakra UI installed in my project right here. So the first thing we want to do is to start by setting up the MCP server. So go over to the Chakra UI documentation. We have it MCP server here. We have a page dedicated to setting up any of your MCP clients. I'm using Visual Studio Code, so I just scroll down to this and copy this snippet here. So at the root of our project, the first thing we need to do is to set up a .vs code directory, and within this directory I want to set up an mcp.json file. Inside this file, this is where we're going to paste in what we copied here. So this is just setting up the Chakra UI MCP server. I'm also actually going to be using the Chakra UI Pro API key, and this basically unlocks access to premium component templates right inside of our MCP server. So I go over to the Chakra UI Pro page here, and I already have an account. If you do not have an account, you have to purchase a license and create an account. So I'm going to click on my picture, and right here you see create an API key. So this will help us in creating an API key. So I just copy my API key. I'm going to be using it shortly. Now within the configuration of our MCP server, to use the API key, the next thing I want to do is to create like an environmental variable. And this is basically going to point to the key that I created earlier. So I'm going to paste it in. So right now I have my Chakra Pro API key added to my MCP server. So what we need to do is to just start up our server and get it running. Alright, so this is where the fun actually starts. Our server is running, and I'm going to set up a 5 minutes countdown timer to see how far we can go in building this application. So remember that it's an interview prep flashcards app. So this app basically helps you prepare for an interview by giving you questions and also answers to those questions. So we have our Copilot chat already here. The very first prompt we want to give it is this. I have my prompts written down, so I'm just going to paste it in. I say build an interview flashcards app using Chakra UI v3. The flashcards app should show a question and reveal the answer when clicked. So we send this in. Okay, so it says I'll help you build an interview flashcards app using Chakra UI v3. So it's reading the structure of our current projects, and it's going to get example, right? You can see what the MCP is doing. It's getting component examples. All right, so it's going to create our flashcards application shortly. It's installing the icons that we're going to need for our flashcards. You know, almost every app uses icons, so it's installing the Lucid React library for our project. So yeah, obviously I used PNPM, so it's actually going to install it with PNPM. It's fixing itself, it's correcting itself, which is why I like the MCP server. It's almost like you have a pair with you, so it's kind of like pair programming. Okay, so now it has set up. I already have the dev server running, so I'm just going to cancel that. Let's see what it has done in our app.tsx. So we see that we have an array of flashcards, which are just sample interview questions and answers. So each object has an ID, a question, and an answer. And then we have our app that uses the next card function, a previous card function, reset cards function, flip cards function. We have a use effect in our project. And let's see the structure of our flashcards. So we have a vstack, a heading, and the flashcard actually uses a card component, which is so useful. So this is using the Chakra UI v3 because we see card.root. So let's actually see how this shows up in our development server. Awesome, this is exactly what we see, which is really not bad at all, right? So this is the first question. What's the difference between let, const, and var in JavaScript? So click to reveal the answer. Amazing. The next one. Wow, this is just amazing. So you can view all your cards like this, which is very useful, right? You may want to see all the questions and answers at the same time, and you can go back to practicing. This is already very useful, but how about if we actually want to take this further by adding a new feature? For example, you may want to actually type in the question and answer. You don't want it to just give you rigid question and answers like this. Let's see how we can add that feature to this application. So I'm going to say make it possible for me to also add in my own questions and answers to the flashcards. One of the reasons I really love using the MCP server with GitHub Copilot Chat or anything at all is because I can use natural language to build out my application. So you notice that I'm not interacting with the code on the left. I'm just telling AI exactly what I want, the features I want, and you see that it's coding out these features for us. I have just a few minutes left. Let's see how fast we can go. It's adding a modal dialog for creating your flashcard, which really makes sense, right? Probably want to pop up a modal dialog and then you add the questions, the answers, and then you save it. I can't wait to see what it builds out for us. Actually, I can't wait to see how this app will look like. Awesome. So you just added everything for us. We're going to keep the code, hoping it makes sense, and let's check out what it has built for us. Okay, so this is basically everything. In addition to what we have a new button that allows us to add new cards. So what question can I have? Let's see. How do I use Chakra UI? That's just what came to me. Let's see. These 3 should suffice. We add this card. Now we notice that we have 7 questions and we can scroll to the end. Yeah, perfect. This is amazing. Let's see if this is, yeah, this is actually responsive. Wow. So 5 minutes later, we've got a working interview flashcards app that has all the functionality that we need. See right here, you can even add a new card here. I mean, it has thought about all the great user experiences that anyone using this flashcard app will need, and I think I'll actually deploy this flashcard app on Vercel and allow you to try it out and see how we can possibly improve this flashcard app in maybe a new video, right? What do you think about that? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and comment what other application you'd like me to build out with the MCP server and GitHub Copilot. Remember, you can use any MCP client of your choice. You can use the MCP server with Claude, Cursor, and a lot more. So I'll see you in another video. Bye.